today I will be discussing to you the lesson 22, physical and chemical changes. Okay, so we all know that matter comes from solid, liquid, or gas. However, it can undergo a change in phase. What kind of change occurs in a phase change? Is it physical or chemical? So, physical change occurs when the physical properties of an object or a material changes, but not its composition. So, for example, I have here a sheet of paper and a scissor. So, what we're gonna do, we have to cut it. So, we're cutting a sheet of paper into strips. So, let's see. Cutting a sheet of paper into strips does not change its composition, only its size. So, another example of a physical change is carving a block of wood into a sculpture. Does not change the wood, it just changes its shape. Another example is salt grains can be dissolved in water, but salt in water is still salt, so only it has changed from solid to liquid. So then again, let's go on to chemical change. Whenever a substance undergoes a change such that one or more new substances are formed, chemical changes occurs. Unlike physical change, where the composition of a substance remains the same, the new substance has properties very different from the original substance. For example, I have here two nails. The nail that is another example is the rusting of a snail is an example of a chemical change. So this is our this one is the this one is the new substance formed. This is a nail exposed to sunlight, so it becomes reddish, and this one is the original nail. So let's go on for another example. Another example is when you burn a piece of paper, the paper turns into ashes. Ash has properties very different from those of paper. So that's another example for a chemical change. Burning, digesting, decaying, and ripening of fruits are other examples of chemical changes. So, chemical change is not easily observable. There are, however, several indicators of a chemical change. These include the formation of chemical precipitate, the evolution of a gas, or the release of heat and light. So that's all for now. So see you for our next lecture.